The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Hello everyone, welcome to Kalikia Hadi, the learning path. Today we are going to see how to teach letter S and its sound to our little ones in fun-filled way. Along with this video, I am providing printable document of teaching material. Please check the description box. For those who have not watched my previous video, here is the overview of the teaching method used for older kids. While teaching phonic sounds to older kids more than 4-year-old, we follow orders shown on the screen. Because using group level 1 sounds, one can form many words and this helps kids to catch up with reading milestone. This is the method most of the school follows for teaching junior KG kids. For more details, please check my previous video. We are going to introduce S letter and its sound in 2 steps. First step is building S word vocabulary along with introducing S letter and its sound. Second step is sound game, where it should be able to identify S sound in a given word. It can be in the beginning, at the end, or in the middle. One can introduce sounds using phonic story, phonic rhymes, drawing, or even coloring, depending on your kid's interest. Let's start with a simple story. This story is from Dolly Phonic Storybook. It has many words with S letter sound in them, like sunny, throws, stick, sniffs, hissing sound. Such stories helps our kids to build their vocabulary in S letter words. This story comes along with beautiful picture. Here we can see many hidden elements with S shape in them or with S letter sound like nest, and here couple of spiders. This big spotty snake is standing in the shape of S, and there is a bright sun over here. Boy is holding a stick with the word also start with S sound. And here is also another snake in the shape of S. One can use this picture to play I Spy game with their kids. Like I spy through my little eyes snake. Then they will start searching entire picture for a snail which is hidden in this corner. While searching, they pay attention to the minute details in the picture and they will start spotting many items with S letter sound in them. This exercise helps kids to know more S words. Here in this picture, can you spot few items with this sound in it?
Yes.
Yes, the sound S, correct.
The snake is making.
Any other item with the sound S in it?
Like that picture,
See,
there is
the sun.
There is letter S itself.
Correct, letter S itself. Then up here also there is a letter S. Correct. And this is a uppercase, lowercase. Both look same, but the difference is the size. Size.
Same principle, you know.
Same. Correct. This is the phonic rhymes. Here, only one line is repeating multiple times. This makes it easy for kids to remember, and it is even catchy.
Actually, it's the same snake from the story.
Correct. It's the same snake from the story. And what is there on the sitting on the snake?
A bug.
What is this?
A bug.
It has 8 legs. So what type of bug it may be?
Maybe.
Spider. Same snake.
Shall I sing myself?
Yes, of course.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Very good. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. So this is
Letter S.
letter S. We'll use our index finger and trace it like this. You want to try?
Yes, yes. Kitty.
Very good. tracing sandpaper tactile is multisensory teaching.
This helps to store shape of the letter in kids' memory.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake.
At this stage, our kid is familiar with S letter and its sound and also knows many S letter words. So it's time for us to take next step. Step 2 is identifying S letter sound in a given word. Along with this video, I am providing free printable activity sheet used here. Please check the description box.
This activity helps kids to identify S letter sound anywhere in a word and also helps them to know sounds and its letter relationship.
What is this?
Squirrel.
Squirrel. So what's the beginning sound you are hearing? Squirrel. Is it T, T, A, or S? Correct. What are these? This one. Is this nest? These three white.
No.
What are this?
Egg.
Where is egg?
In here.
In where?
In the nest.
Correct. Egg is in the nest. When I say nest, sound is coming in the beginning or in the end or in the middle. Nest. What's the middle sound you are hearing?
Nest.
Is it middle sound T, A or S?
Nest. T.
In the middle. Nest.
Nest. Nest. Nest. S.
Correct.
Drum.
T sound is coming in the end. Nest. So ending sound is T. Beginning sound is
Nest.
Nest. Na. Middle sound is S. Nest. Middle sound is S. Now, can you tell me what are this picture?
Snake. Dog.
Alligator.
Alligator.
Okay. Circle the picture starts with sound. Is it dog or alligator or snake? Correct. Snake. Snake starts with the sound. What is this?
Tumbler.
And the tumbler is made of?
Glass.
Yes, it's a glass. Okay. When I say glass, what's the ending sound you are hearing? Is it T, S or N? Glass. Yes. Sound is? And the letter is?
S.
Correct. Here, there are three pictures. What is this?
Snake.
And this one?
Bus.
And?
Egg in the nest.
Yes, it's a nest. There are egg in that. But let's say it has a nest. Okay, it's a nest. So, in these three picture, is there a sound in the snake? Say snake.
Snake. No.
Sound.
There is.
And how about in the bus?
There is.
Bus. And nest? Nest.
Nest. There is.
So in these three picture, where is the sound coming in the middle? Correct. In the nest, sound is coming in the middle. And in the bus? And how about in the snake? Snake? Beginning. Correct. continue with different phonic stories, phonic songs and sound identification exercise for few days until your kid gets comfortable with S letter sound. Initially, kids will not like having proper learning session with activity sheets. Start with simple sound game. For example, in our day-to-day life, we come across many items which catches our kids' interest. Like pointing at sun, one can ask what's the beginning sound of sun. Same way we can do with their favorite soft toys, their favorite sweet, many more like this. I strongly believe sky is the limit for innovative teaching.
2 to 5 years is golden period for learning to read. Please don't miss this window.
As I mentioned earlier and in my previous video,
These sound can be taught
with very simple games, so it is very easy to teach smaller kids.
Kids with good English vocabulary will sail through this process easily. Please work on your kids' vocabulary. I am providing link on how to build our kids' vocabulary in the description box below.
Please try this approach and let me know your feedback. All the very best. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share with your friends and family members. Thank you.